Hello, this is Brenda from DMS division. Now let me introduce you the Intel vending hardware device program. First, I would like to introduce. The first one is the Intel SSP board. The second is the Aeon UP board. The third is the bill collector. So let me present and demo how to test the Intel hardware testing program. Okay, so you can load the XML and find we have coin machine and the bill collector. So you may click the bill collector and press start, and then we can insert the bill. We can place OK and insert the bill. First, I will insert the $1 US dollars. Well, as you can see, the bill machine is accepted by the $1 US dollar, and then second we have to try the $20. So we restart and insert the bill again. So I try the $20 US dollars this time. Okay, when we insert, and from the screen you can see the bill machine accept the $20. And so we test the fake US dollar, which is the same size as the $50 US dollar. So we press the start again and insert OK to test. And we insert the fake dollar. So you can see the fake dollar is not accepted by the bill machine. So we can tell the bill machine is working successfully. Thank you.